Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you considering early retirement? Before you take the plunge, it's important to understand all of the potential pros and cons. This video will provide an overview of the advantages and disadvantages of early retirement so that you can make an informed decision. It will cover topics such as financial security, social connections, and lifestyle changes. Keep watching to learn more about the pros and cons of early retirement and if it's right for you. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so as not to miss out on any of our videos. What are the pros of early retirement? The first pros we will discuss is more time to pursue personal interests and hobbies. One of the benefits of early retirement is that individuals have more time to pursue personal interests and hobbies. With less time spent working and more free time, people can pursue their passions and hobbies to a greater extent, leading to a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. This can include things like travel, photography, gardening, painting, volunteering, or learning a new skill. Having more time for these activities can bring a greater sense of purpose, joy, and satisfaction to one's life. Next, increased flexibility in lifestyle and travel plans. Another advantage of early retirement is increased flexibility in lifestyle and travel plans. Retiring early can provide individuals with the freedom to live and travel where they want, when they want. They are no longer bound to a 9-to-5 work schedule and can create their own schedule and routines. This can lead to greater freedom, autonomy, and the ability to pursue new experiences and adventures. It can also allow people to spend more time with friends and family or take extended trips to visit new places and explore new cultures. Reduced stress and improved health due to a more relaxed pace of life. Reduced stress and improved health are two of the benefits of early retirement. The fast-paced and demanding nature of work can take a toll on one's mental and physical health, leading to stress and burnout. By retiring early, individuals can reduce the stress and pressure associated with work and enjoy a more relaxed pace of life. This can lead to improved physical and mental health and a greater sense of overall well-being. In turn, this can have a positive impact on relationships, personal growth, and quality of life. Opportunity to spend more time with family and friends. Spending more time with family and friends is another benefit of early retirement. Work and other responsibilities can often take up a significant amount of time, leaving little room for socializing and spending time with loved ones. By retiring early, individuals have more time to devote to their relationships, resulting in stronger and more meaningful connections. This can lead to increased happiness, support, and a greater sense of community. It can also provide opportunities for shared experiences and memories that can last a lifetime. Moving on, the chance to pursue a second career or start a business. Pursuing a second career or starting a business is another benefit of early retirement. Retiring early can provide individuals with the time and resources to pursue new opportunities and interests that they may not have had the chance to explore during their working years. This can include starting a new business, pursuing a passion or hobby as a source of income, or transitioning to a new career. This can bring a sense of fulfillment and purpose, as well as new challenges and opportunities for growth. It can also provide a source of income to supplement retirement savings and increase financial stability. More time for self-care and personal growth. Another benefit of early retirement is having more time for self-care and personal growth. Work and other responsibilities can often leave little time for taking care of oneself. By retiring early, individuals can prioritize their health and well-being, engaging in activities and practices that promote self-care, such as exercise, meditation, or therapy. This can lead to improved physical and mental health and a greater sense of overall well-being. It can also provide opportunities for personal growth and self-discovery, as individuals have more time to reflect on their values, goals, and purpose in life. The ability to pursue education and learning opportunities. The ability to pursue education and learning opportunities is another benefit of early retirement. Retirement can provide individuals with the time and resources to pursue new areas of learning, either for personal or professional development. This can include taking courses, attending workshops, or pursuing higher education degrees. It can also provide opportunities to gain new skills and knowledge, keeping the mind active and engaged, and improving cognitive function. Pursuing education and learning opportunities can bring a sense of fulfillment, personal growth, and can help individuals stay mentally and intellectually stimulated. Cons of early retirement. Early retirements also have some cons. The first cons we will discuss is Reduced income, which can impact one's ability to maintain their standard of living. Reduced income is a disadvantage of early retirement. Retirement typically means a reduction in income, as individuals are no longer receiving a regular salary from work. This can make it difficult to maintain the same standard of living, especially if retirement savings are limited. It can also put pressure on individuals to make their savings last, which can lead to stress and financial insecurity. It's important for individuals considering early retirement to carefully plan and consider the potential impact on their financial situation before making the decision to retire. This may include reviewing retirement savings plans, creating a budget, and finding additional sources of income to supplement retirement savings. Decreased access to employer-sponsored benefits, such as healthcare. Decreased access to employer-sponsored benefits is another disadvantage of early retirement. Many employer-sponsored benefits, such as healthcare and retirement plans, are tied to employment and may not be available or may have reduced coverage once an individual retires. This can lead to increased healthcare costs and a reduction in overall benefits, making it important for individuals to carefully consider the impact of early retirement on their access to benefits. It may be necessary to explore alternative options, such as purchasing individual health insurance or enrolling in a Medicare plan, to ensure continued access to healthcare coverage. It's also important to review retirement plans and consider any potential impact on future retirement benefits. A potential lack of purpose or structure in life. A potential lack of purpose or structure in life is another disadvantage of early retirement. Work can provide a sense of purpose and structure, as well as a routine and a sense of community. Retirement can remove these elements from an individual's life, which can lead to feelings of boredom, loneliness, and a lack of purpose. It's important for individuals to plan for retirement and consider how they will maintain a sense of purpose and structure in their lives, whether through hobbies, volunteer work, community involvement, or other activities. It can also be helpful to set goals and find new opportunities for personal growth and fulfillment. By planning for retirement and actively pursuing activities and interests, individuals can maintain a sense of purpose and structure in their lives and lead fulfilling and enjoyable retirements. A greater reliance on savings, which can be depleted if not managed carefully. A greater reliance on savings is another disadvantage of early retirement. Retirement typically means a reduction in income, and individuals may need to rely more heavily on their savings to maintain their standard of living. If not managed carefully, retirement savings can be depleted quickly, leading to financial insecurity and a reduced standard of living. It's important for individuals to carefully plan for retirement and consider the potential impact on their financial situation before making the decision to retire. This may include reviewing retirement savings plans, creating a budget, and finding additional sources of income to supplement retirement savings. By planning and managing their finances carefully, individuals can help ensure that their savings last and that they are able to maintain their standard of living throughout retirement. Potential difficulty in transitioning to a new phase of life. Potential difficulty in transitioning to a new phase of life is another disadvantage of early retirement. Retirement can be a significant change, and individuals may struggle with the transition from work to retirement. This can include feelings of boredom, loneliness, and a lack of purpose, as well as challenges in adjusting to a new routine and finding new activities and interests. It's important for individuals to plan for retirement and consider how they will maintain a sense of purpose and structure in their lives. By pursuing hobbies, volunteering, community involvement, or other activities, individuals can help ensure a smooth transition to retirement and maintain a sense of purpose and fulfillment. It can also be helpful to set goals and find new opportunities for personal growth and fulfillment, which can help ease the transition to retirement and lead to a more enjoyable and fulfilling retirement. Increased financial uncertainty and insecurity. Increased financial uncertainty and insecurity is another disadvantage of early retirement. Retirement typically means a reduction in income, and individuals may need to rely more heavily on their savings to maintain their standard of living. If not managed carefully, retirement savings can be depleted quickly, leading to financial insecurity and a reduced standard of living. In addition, unexpected expenses or changes in the economy can also impact retirement savings and financial security. It's important for individuals to carefully plan for retirement and consider the potential impact on their financial situation before making the decision to retire. This may include reviewing retirement savings plans, creating a budget, and finding additional sources of income to supplement retirement savings. By planning and managing their finances carefully, Individuals can help ensure financial security and stability in retirement. The risk of social isolation and decreased social interaction. The risk of social isolation and decreased social interaction is another disadvantage of early retirement. Work can provide a sense of community and social interaction, and retirement can remove these elements from an individual's life. This can lead to feelings of loneliness and isolation, especially for individuals who do not have a strong support network of friends and family. It's important for individuals to plan for retirement and consider how they will maintain social interaction and relationships in their lives, whether through hobbies, volunteer work, community involvement, or other activities. By staying active and engaged in their communities, individuals can help prevent social isolation and maintain strong relationships with friends, family, and others. It's also important for individuals to seek out new opportunities for social interaction and connection, such as joining clubs, taking classes, or volunteering, to help prevent feelings of loneliness and isolation. In conclusion, early retirement can be a great way to enjoy a more relaxed lifestyle and pursue interests and passions that may have been put aside during your working years. However, it's important to take into consideration the pros and cons associated with retiring early. While you may have more time to do the things you enjoy, you'll also be losing the security of a steady paycheck and employer-sponsored healthcare. Additionally, if you've retired early without careful planning, you may find yourself in financial difficulty down the road. Before deciding whether or not to retire early, it's best to discuss the situation with family, friends, and a financial planner. With the right knowledge and planning, you can make the most of your retirement years regardless of when you decide to stop working. Thank you for watching. For more views and updates, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned. See you soon.